Hello friends, my name is Asmita. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. I joined V University for the Salesforce administration course. Here I meet Mr. Sanjay sir. He is very unique personality, but I would like to call him as my mentor because he guided me in proper way to how to approach as the Salesforce course and what to do and what not to do. Every time he is there for us. The technique of teaching of Sanjay sir is very unique, natural, and very effective way. Before joining the V University, I like only Salesforce, but after joining the V University, because of Sanjay sir, I love the Salesforce. Salesforce is very vast course, but the V University and the Sanjay sir teams design it in the proper structural way, in practical and theoretical way, where we can understand in the normal language, easy language, and we can understand it proper, and we gain the confidence that we can go through this course in very easy way. The every time the approaches of the sir means whenever the class started, he very enthusiastically welcome us and say hello my dear friends. He called us friends. Here we get connected as a friends. It's a friendly attitude towards us is very overwhelmed to us, and very happy that he take every class very freshly. He never tired to teach us or never tired to clear our doubts. He's very good person, and the V University is and Sanjay sir teams very doing a nice job, very nice good techniques of teaching and giving knowledge to the students in very different way. But I like to share one more thing, that in market there is very lots of institute and very courses is there. They give only professional touch, but in V University not only we get the professional learning, but there is one more thing, we get the friendly and family approaches and very family fit to us. One comfort zone is created to learn the new things, and everyone wants that zone, that space, that comfort space and comfort zone everyone wants. When I get very confident after joining the University. Now I can confidently say that I can start my job career again freshly. Now here again freshly started my job career is that something in happen in my life and it's miserable, but when I meet Sanjay sir, he gave me confidence that you can start again. He told me that see Asmita, when you start, new fresh start, there is no age bar, no time bar. If your willpower is positive, you will get positive result. Thank you very much Sanjay sir and V University to meet myself again. The new confidence you build in me. I am very heartily thank you to you. Thank you very much, and I wishes you all the best wishes that the V University will go and achieves every milestone in this field. Thank you very much.